loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be braiding my hair, and we just woke up, but I have to start early today. I'm doing that with my daughter, so we usually start pretty early and then we start doing our things. I'm sorry about the noise. So I'm just going to prep my attachments, so after breakfast and morning stuffs and getting ready for the day, we'll start braiding. So come with me, let's prep the attachments, because that makes the work easy for me, and set up the whole room for the braids for the day. Yep, come make my Christmas hair with me. See ya, come along. So I'm just going to place a towel here over the bed sheets, and I'm using expression. I'm actually mixing up colors, because 9 and 30. So I have 3 packs of this. 3 packs of this. I really hope it's enough, because I don't want to run out and have to do this. I love, as I'm separating them, I'm kind of confused. Should I mix them together, or should I just make them, separately? Just randomly mixing them up. I don't know. This color is so cute. Should I mix this two together? Let me try it with a small amount. If I like the color, then I'm going to go ahead and mix them up together. Yep. Just a little bit. You don't want it to be so greasy. Just a little bit. Just finger comb it and so when you want to comb it, just go ahead like this, and then put this hand under and then do it like this, so like you have a very firm grip. And so when you're combing, it's not flying out, your hairs are not flying out so much, because when you hold it loosely, it's actually pulling out with this. Yep, so as you can see, it's all silky. Can you see that blend? See how it looks? Yep. So we're ready to separate. That's how I want it to look. Been seen, and I just took out a knotless braid, so let's try something different and see how it turns out. Plus this winter with knotless braid, like I don't want something that my scalp will be showing or will be open. Like I need it covered. That's the essence of long braids this season. So yeah, I'm going to separate this, just the regular size of the braids, stacking it on top of each other, not directly. You see how I'm doing it, kind of like a loop method. So when I just want to braid, I just pull it out. So I'm going to do this till this in my room. We're still going to repeat the process, but the thing about this one is that it's going to be smaller, like knotless braid size, because it's just for the filling. you have the big one to start your braids and do your braids. They have this one for the pause. So nothing much to do, so pick the process and finish up. Then we'll go have breakfast, clean up, get the video ready for the day, and start. Hopefully, get to finish this braids today. I just wish so. If we don't, we'll run tomorrow. We'll just finish today. So yeah. So you can bring your hair yourself at home, like just give yourself 2 days, you know. And so especially because mine is such a big week, so you just take longer. So just give yourself 2 days, do your thing, very easy, just do it the first time. You know, take it slow, enjoy the process, grab your popcorn, get snacks, so you the room, get your tablets or your phone. Just don't move it in the day, just move it step. You don't even take out time, like 20 minutes, 2 minutes. So yeah, just do the process. And I'll get back to you when I'm done. Yep. So we're done separating. Yep. This is what my setup looks like. My comb, everything is all scattered there, don't mind me. So this mirror is actually detachable, so I'm just going to take one that's just part of the mirror and I'll place it on this chair. So let me just do that. So I'm going to be placing it here. So this is it. One mirror in front and one mirror behind. So this is how I sit, especially if I'm making the back part of my hair. So don't mind me, but this is how I sit if I'm doing the back part of my hair. Then I try to adjust my mirrors, this one as well. Okay. And when I do that, I try to adjust my mirror. Yep. So I'm actually seeing the back of my hair from here and then from here. So I can actually do stuffs. See? Pat my hair because I'm seeing it from here. Understandable now? So I can actually part because I'm seeing the back of my hair, this part's part from here, and then I'm also seeing hair from here. It's this way, and I try to adjust my mirror, the one in front of me. This is how I sit, especially if I'm making the back part of my hair. Then when I'm done with the back part of my hair, I just take this and put it back and then sit in front because I can see. Understood? So that's kind of the situation. So I like using this when I'm doing the back because it's like a smaller piece, and then the ones behind are quite big so I can see my hair well. So with this, I can see my hair. If I tilt this way, I'm seeing my hair on this one. I'm also seeing the back of my head on this big one. So yeah, that is how I walk. Let me get this and show you what I'm seeing. So I'm going to start one of the braids so you see it does work. Oops. Oops. I washed my hair, oil there, and it's a bit dew, but I don't like to touch my hair frequently again. So I do it maybe once every 6 months or 5 months. Comb. Yep, perfect. This. Make sure you grip the hair well. And that is one done. Easy.
Watch out for part 2.